Karia bwandene na mibango ya thirikari Kipchumba Murkomen yarugurite mubango jwa thirikari jwa Jisajili Mashinani. Mworoto jwa mubango jujo ni gwikia Uciandikithia bobo akue na mukenya uria uri Nthigurene na kinya kubamenyithia mawega za kwithirwa mtu ari na kibande. Mutembei na Nteto Tariria.
Waziri wa urongamiri na ukaria wa ndene Nthiguru Kipchumba Murkomen ni ariongete sub-county ya Ror mwankani wa West Pokot na Turkana County utegera ukaria nyuma ya mbithukiro ire ikujiritwe ntereu.
This is an exercise we are doing in the next few months. The security teams have been putting together the necessary equipment and the officers are being assembled and they are undergoing some training and the operations will start soon.
Waziri ni augete antu baria bakuthangikia thiri ntereu na ambabandithia bari gwatwa njara ni ya biashara na siasa baria kuga thirikari ni bamenyete na ni kumenya kuria bari.
We are aware that some of these criminals have the support of some business people, some political actors, and those are the ones who are supplying ammunitions, inciting violence, and they are on both sides of the two counties, and they have been profiled. We know where they are. I just want to tell them that they should visit Baringo or Elgeyo Marakwet County, or the boundary between Elgeyo Marakwet and West Pokot, and see what happened a few months ago.
Ni ariretie karikari antuko ya umthiri ambara gatagati ga ikundi bire kuma Turkana bakiregana na mibango ya thirikari ya ukaria.
There was today an attack within Turkana itself, between two groups within Turkana itself. It's very shameful.
Ni arikiretie na kuga thirikari ya Kenya na maabitha ba ukaria ni baibangite bobwega gucokaniria ukiri wa gutura.
I must say that the government of Kenya, the security officers who are carrying out operations are now well prepared, and you'll be reading in the news in the near future.
Kagito kau waziri Murkomen ni arungamirite kwambirwa kwa mubango wa kuandikithia Ibande wa Jisajili Mashinani uria wina muoroto wa kureta utungata wa kuandikithia Ibande akue na Kenya utumira njira jia kireu iria jina mpoe na utho uitumira.
This is new technology that doesn't require the use of papers. It is also a very portable device that as long as you have the chief and you have the fingerprints officer and you have the registration officer, 3 people, then you can be able to visit any place of the county. This exercise is also going to be carried out in this rapid result initiative. It's going to be carried out in every ward. So we've designated 1 vehicle in every ward. We are partnering with the county government and partnering also with the members of parliament, where the NGCDF is able to donate a vehicle in different parts of the country. We kit those vehicles and make sure that they are able to carry out this initiative.
Mutembei, Wero TV.